What's up, everybody? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you are watching this video from. It's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. Guys, I'm currently coming live from the Gambia, West Africa, the smiling coast. So guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how this part of Bakoteh looks in rainy season in the year 2025. So guys, before wasting much time, let me just turn the camera and start walking around here and show you guys how it looks here in this part of Bakoteh in rainy season. As you guys can see, here is called Johnson Bar. Yeah, here is called Johnson Bar, and then I'm walking towards Sakura. Yeah. And then the way the camera is facing, it leads to Sakunda and Garas. Yeah. And then this is how this part of the Gambia looks in rainy season. Since last night, it was raining here. Yep. As you guys can see, I'm walking under the rain, showing you guys. The real life here. Guys, this is what your boy is getting for you here in Bakoteh, showing you the real life here in rainy season. And there's a petrol station on my right hand side. Yep. My goodness. Guys, just look at that driver splashing water on me. Whew. Guys, let me seek a shelter here. Yeah. Guys, let me seek a shelter here. When the rain stops, I'll continue the video. Yep. Guys, let me continue the video. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Guys, so it's like I must get into this water, right? I don't want my shoes to get into this water, but there's no choice. My shoes get into that water. It was in my wheel for my shoes to get into that water. Yeah. Guys, let me try to cross the road to get to that other side. I wanna capture a good view for you guys. Guys, as I said earlier, since last night it was raining here, and then it is still raining. Yeah. And the way the camera is facing that road, it leads to Sanchaba. Yeah. And then I will soon get into Sakura. And then guys, if you watch the video till here, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. It helps YouTube to push the video to larger audience, and then don't forget to subscribe too. And your subscription helps the growth of the channel. Yeah, let's go. We are almost at 10,000 YouTube subscribers, and then we are good to go. If you always wonder how the Gambia looks in rainy season, this is how some part of the Gambia looks in rainy season. The problem with this road is that it doesn't have a proper drainage. That's why the water is flowing here. That's why the water is flooding here on the road. Just take a look. There's no drainage here. I'm trying to avoid getting into this water, but there is no way. This is the Gambia in 4K view in rainy season. Yep. And then guys, the way the camera is facing, it needs to Tanjay and turntable and Bruce it. Yeah. And then the way I'm walking towards leads to Sakura. Yeah. Guys, right now I'm even in Sakura. Yeah, I'm in Sakura right now. I started this video from Bakoteh. Now I'm in Sakura. Yeah. And this is how this part of Sakura looks in rainy season. Yeah, the Gambia in 2025. And then guys, this is where I will end this video too. As always, if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, just kindly do me a big favor by clicking that subscribe button, like and share this video with friends and families. I'm out. This is all what I have for you in today's video. See you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.